question 1. It says, suppose that Wt is a stochastic process with expectation of Wt is 0, and yeah, we can write out here. Expectation of Wt equals 0, and Rw T1, T2 equals 2 alpha multiple minimum T1, T2. And we define Yt equals to Wt minus Wt minus 1 for t larger than 1. And equals 0 for t smaller than 1. And the question is ask us to find expectation of Yt and Ry T1, T2, and also ask us that is Yt WSS. So yeah, we can do the calculation first to find expectation of Yt. This equals to expectation of Wt minus Wt minus 1, which is equals to 0. Yeah, and also we find Ry T1, T2. And we can write like this, equals to alpha multiple minimum T1, T2 minus minimum T1, T2 minus 1 minus minimum T1 minus 1, T2 plus minimum T1 minus 1, T2 minus 1. Yeah, this is what we have. And 1 T2 is smaller than T1, and T2 is smaller than T1 minus 1. We have Ry T1, T2 equals to 0. And when T2 smaller than T1 and T2 plus 1 bigger than T1, so we have Ry T1, T2 equals to alpha multiple 1 minus T1 minus T2. Yeah. So with all cases considered, we can write down it all together. So it's just like Ry T1, T2 equals to 0, and when T1 minus T2 bigger than 1, and equals to alpha multiple 1 minus T1 minus T2 module 1 T1 minus T2 module smaller than 1. Yeah. So we can see Yt is WSS. This is for the question 1.